Hello everyone, welcome to the third class of lesson 5. So today we will look at the grammar part, and in today's class we will just focus on two grammar parts, and I'm gonna tell you first that they are super easy for you. So now let's just get right into it. So now we look at the grammar part 1, the adverb 就. Okay, so as we learned this word before, so 就 is used to indicate a resolution or a conclusion. So in today's class, we will look at the explanation on how to use this word in some situations. Okay, so explanation first. The adverb 就 plus a verb indicates a conclusion or a resolution which is made on the basis of what has been mentioned previously. So I think this is really easy to understand because something has been mentioned in the previous sentence, and then in the second clause when we use 就, and 就 is to indicate a conclusion or a resolution. Okay, so we will just get started from some examples. First one, 你不想去就休息吧. Okay, this one. 你 which is you. 不 is a negative word which is no or not. 想 is want. So 去 is to go. So the first clause here is you don't want to go. 就休息吧. So 就 is put in the beginning of the second clause. 休息 which is to rest or to take a rest. So 休息 is definitely a verb. So you see 就 plus a verb is to indicate a conclusion or a resolution. Okay? So in Chinese we say you don't want to go, then take a rest. Then take a rest. Okay. Example 2. 这儿的咖啡不错，不错，就喝咖啡吧。Okay. 这儿 which is here. 咖啡 is coffee. So 这儿的咖啡 together it means the coffee here 不错。不错 is pretty good. 就喝咖啡吧。就 is put in the beginning of the second clause. 喝 is to drink. 咖啡 is coffee. See 就 plus a verb. 就 and a verb. So drink coffee. Alright, now let's take a look on the English version. The coffee here is not bad, so have some coffee. Okay. So in this grammar part, I just prepared two examples for you to see how we use 就 with a verb in some Chinese sentences. And I personally think this one is really easy. So now let's just jump into grammar part 2. The modal adverb 还. Okay. So explanation. The structure 还 plus an adjective. See, 还 is always linked with an adjective in a Chinese sentence, okay? Means that something is acceptable. So when we say something is acceptable, that means that thing is not that bad and not that good, just like in the middle, just like in the average level, okay? So I also prepared two examples for you. Now let's go through these examples first. A. 你身体怎么样? Okay, 怎么样 as we have seen it so many times. 怎么样 is how. 你身体 is body. 你身体 or 你的身体 your body. 怎么样 how. So how is your body? And B. 还好 So the translation I just prepared the translation as in good. So now let's take a look at this one. 好 as we know is good. So good, that's an adjective. And 还 the modal adverb. 还好 together that means like something is acceptable, which in this situation that means my body is just in the average level, not good and not bad. Okay, now example 2. 这件衣服大吗? Okay, 这 is this. 件 another word for cloth. 衣服 is clothes. 大 is big. Ma a question mark. So this clothes big is a question mark. So we say it is clothes big. And here I just prepared large this word. Okay, so it is clothes large and big. 还行，不大。行 actually this word in Chinese it means okay. Okay. So 还行 which is okay. 不大 not big, so not large. So in English we can say it's okay or it's good, not large. Just in the middle of something. 好, so this is grammar part 2. And in this part we just went through the modal adverb 还. So 还 is always came with adjective. Okay, you see 还好 good, 好 is good. 还行 行 is okay. So both of these words are adjectives. Okay, so that's all for grammar part 2. Now let's take a look at the practice. A. 喝水对身体好。喝水吧 Okay, 喝水 that means drink water. 对 is to or for. 身体 body. So 对 something that means for something or to something. 好 which is good. So the first clause we can say drink water is good for your body. 喝水吧喝水 drink water. So which word do we use here in the beginning of sentence? So we better use 就 which indicates resolution. 就喝水吧 Okay, number 2. 今天下雨了，我不出去了。Okay, 今天 that means today. 下雨 that means it's raining. It's raining. 了 a new change or a new situation happens. So the new change is the rain is falling. So it's raining today. I 不出去了。不 pay attention. 出去 is to go out. So 我就不出去了。我就不出去了。不 is a negative word. Okay, 出去 is to go out. So 我就不出去了 because it's raining today. So 就 is put here to indicate resolution. Okay, next one. It's a conversation. A. 考试怎么样？考试 test or exam. So how was your test? And B. 不错 as we learned before, 不错 is pretty good. So it is an adjective. So we say 还不错 not that good, not that good. Okay, practice on the fourth one. A. 你的汉语怎么样？ How is your Chinese language? And B. 好 is good, which is an adjective. So we say 还好 is just in the average level. So here we put 还 okay. Alright, so today we will just end here because today I just prepared 2 grammar parts for you, and today's grammar part I just think they are pretty simple. So I guess that's all for today, and from next class we will look at lesson 6.